These custards were made like this, without cornstarch and with a lot of love.
Hello Gozones, today we're doing a
Classic recipe. We're talking about some custards.
but without cornstarch, just full egg yolk, they turn out amazing. I'm sure they bring back memories of grandma.
Look how simple it is. We put a full liter of milk, which is about 5 cups in a saucepan, over medium or slightly higher heat. You add the peel of an orange and a cinnamon stick, and you wait for it to come to a boil. Boil. Once boiling, reduce heat further for 2 minutes, then remove the cinnamon and orange and set aside.
Careful, because you can flavor the milk in many ways. It's also very common to add lemon zest, but I think it tastes even better with orange.
Now we put 6 egg yolks in a large bowl. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, they're slipping away. We're gonna beat them really well, along with 3/5 of a cup of sugar, about 120 grams. We're gonna keep mixing and mixing until it doubles in volume and becomes lighter in color. See how the color changes? Now we're gonna add the milk, little by little, and keep stirring without stopping. You can do it with a manual whisk, no problem. The thing is, this way, I finish faster. First, don't worry if you get some foam, because I'll tell you the secret in a moment. We're gonna take this cream to a pot over medium heat, or even a little lower, and we're gonna stir it little by little. That way, those bubbles will disappear, and the whole mixture will start to heat up. As it heats up and you keep stirring, it starts to get a little creamy. Keep stirring and stirring until it's ready, nice and creamy, like you see here. Now, it's time to give it the final touch. When you see that it's a bit thick, remove it from the heat. Now that we have this ready, let's pour it into the containers we want, the custards. In my case, they're pretty big because this is a real treat. And that's it. Challenge completed. We have a classic homemade dessert ready to be enjoyed. But first, you need to put it in the fridge so it sets and cools down. This cold dessert is just wonderful. Remember, at least 2 hours, but you can prepare it a day in advance. That's totally fine. All that's left is to bring it to the table and enjoy.
Look at this dessert we've made in no time. Creamy, easy, delicious, smooth with a touch of cinnamon and a hint of orange. A real delight. Just see how it holds and falls from the spoon. So pleasurable and delicious. I love that, scientist. Dessert. The worst thing about it is that you never know when. It's so delicious. I hope you liked it and let me know in the comments. What's your favorite classic dessert? Let's see if we can get some ideas together. And if you want more, check out the little box here. YouTube tells me you're going to love this video, so click and enjoy it almost as much as I do. Custard, so good.